Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make acorn butter. First, gather fresh, mature acorns, ensuring they are free from any damage or mold. Next, carefully remove the caps and hard outer shells from all the acorns. Discard any that appear discolored or have wormholes. Finally, chop the shelled acorn meat into smaller pieces, roughly 1/4 of an inch, to prepare them for the next steps in the process. This makes leaching much more efficient. After chopping, it's time to leach the tannins out of your acorns. You can hot leach by boiling the pieces, changing the water every 15 to 20 minutes until it no longer tastes bitter and runs clear. Or cold leach by soaking them in fresh water for several days, changing the water daily. Once leached, spread the acorn pieces in a single layer on a baking sheet and allow them to air dry completely for at least 24 hours. This step is crucial for proper roasting. Now that your acorns are dry, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the dried acorn pieces evenly on a baking sheet and roast them for about 20 minutes, or until they are lightly golden and fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Once roasted, let the acorns cool completely to room temperature. Then, grind the cooled acorns into a fine flour using a coffee grinder or a powerful food processor. With your acorn flour ready, transfer it to a food processor. Process on high, scraping down the sides as needed, until the flour transforms into a smooth, creamy butter. This might take 10 to 15 minutes. If it's too thick, add a teaspoon of neutral oil like sunflower or grapeseed until you reach your desired consistency. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Store your homemade acorn butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your unique, nutty spread.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.